You might dial someone and wait till the phone connects. You might think hard until you can connect with that idea. You might put time aside to connect with your friends or your family. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 2, number 37, where we see that paragraphs also need to connect. 37 reads, the writer wants to link the first paragraph with the ideas that follow. Which choice best accomplishes this goal? So this must be the last sentence of the first paragraph. What follows is what comes after it. Now, whenever you get a question like this, I strongly encourage you to make sure it fits before as well as after, because half of the time it tells you what follows and it's more helpful to connect with what comes before it. Anyhow, the sentence itself reads, nor has artistic homage to our fellow creatures entirely died out in the millennia since, despite the many years that have passed between then and now. So once you read that, you're thinking, hey, what am I expecting to follow? And you might be expecting something about the time between then and now. Next paragraph starts, the State Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, Russia, one of Russia's greatest art museums, has long had a productive partnership with the much-loved animal, the cat. So we don't exactly get that. Answer choice B, nor is artistic homage to our fellow creatures died out in the millennia since, with special attention being paid to the domestic animals such as cats. Now, when you read that, you might be like, oh yeah, after it was talking about cats. But if you pay careful attention to how it's talking about cats, this sentence ends with, has had a long and productive partnership with a much-loved animal, the cat. It sounds like it's telling you that the cat is the much-loved animal for the first time. So answer choice B is actually an attractive wrong answer. We look at answer choice C, nor has artistic homage to fellow creatures entirely died out in the millennia since, even though most paintings in museums are of people, not animals. So then I'm thinking, after you're going to get paintings of people, not animals, and it talks about an art museum, but it's not talking about paintings of anyone just yet. So the correct answer must be D. So, nor has artistic homage to our fellow creatures entirely died out in the millennia since, as the example of one museum in Russia shows. And then you might be thinking, what museum? And you get it in the next sentence. The State Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, one of Russia's greatest art museums, has long had a productive partnership with the much-loved animal, the cat. And then you see the cat, that's how you have a connection with the first paragraph as well. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble making connections between sentences or paragraphs. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.